guys, welcome yet again to another wonderful episode of your What's Up at Your Box Office, your biggest show on your biggest movies, TV series, books and games. I'm Ivatar. I know I am not trying to be cool. I have a bit of an eye infection. I wasn't beaten up, but I love being here with you guys, and that's why I'm here. Shades or no shades. Enjoy the show.
Run, Forrest, run!
Age of Airplanes is a story about how airplanes has changed the world. Filmed in 18 countries across 7 continents.
In a single century, aviation went from impossible to nearly perfected. In just a flicker of time, life on Earth changed forever.
The documentary is produced and directed by Brian J. Telwinger, narrated by Harrison Ford, who has been released from the hospital following his plane crash, and features an original score by Academy Award-winning composer James Horner, who did Avatar and Titanic. It has been screened this April. In the movie Age of Airplanes, it renews our appreciation of one of the most inspiring, extraordinary aspects of the modern world. And for gamers news, we have The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt.
Once we were many, now we are few. Hunters, killers of the world's filth. Witchers, the ultimate killing machines. Among us, a legend. The one they call Geralt of Rivia, the White Wolf.
Developers CD Projekt Red has debuted a new extended trailer for the upcoming The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt, showing off the world, wildlife and villains for the title.
She is in danger. Witnesses claim the Wild Hunt follows her. You must find her. And when I do, what then? I shall give her what she deserves.
Based on the critically acclaimed novels by Andrzej Sapkowski, The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt will be available for the PlayStation 4, Xbox One and PC on May 19, 2015. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt features a vast living open world full of meticulously quests and point of interest. Is 35 times bigger than The Witcher 2 King of Assassins. And for coming to cinemas, we have the movie 527.
People can see us together. That is permitted. I can take your arm, but we cannot kiss.
If those are the rules, those are the rules.
A chance encounter on the streets of Manhattan draws 20-something aspiring writer Brian, played by Anton Yelchin, into a passionate love affair with a glamorous French woman, Skyfall Bond girl Bérénice Marlowe.
Je suis tombée, mes yeux sont blancs, mais comme expérience acquise au sentier infini j'arrive.
Co-starring Frank Langella, Glenn Close and Olivia Thirlby, this sexy romantic rom captures the giddy thrill of being young and in love.
Ideal situation, but she adores my son.
The catch? Well, she's married and can only meet him at hotel rooms between the hours of 5 and 7. As Brian yearns for more than just 2 hours a day with the woman of his dreams, he learns a hard lesson about life and love. That's all we have for you folks. For a chance to win a movie ticket of your choice this week to see with me, Ivatar, answer the following question. Send in your answers and don't forget to include the hashtag SoundCity Box Office. I'm Ivatar. See you next time.